wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in a couple videos now, I've been mentioning that I haven't been wearing foundation when I do my makeup for videos, my makeup in real life. We're just at a point right now where it's like, listen, I ain't got time for that. Okay, y'all know I love me a good foundation, but I just haven't been wearing it lately. So if you guys want to see how I do my makeup nowadays with just concealer, powder, and bronzer, you know, like setting spray just to set everything, then let's go. So first thing, concealer. Now this is an option. I did do a video testing out the Milk concealer primer. It's supposed to be for your eyes and concealer. I've only tested it out as concealer so far. This is an option. You don't need this. I've done it both ways, with it, without it. That's up to you, but I'm just saying, you know, especially if you're not wearing foundation and stuff like that, this is a good product to have if you're just really focusing on the concealer that you're wearing on your face. But I'm going to use the Fenty Pro Filt'r concealer. This is the one I've been mainly using. I switch back and forth between this concealer and the ColourPop Hyaluronic Acid one. Pretty Fresh? Is that what it's called? Something like that. But I'm just going to now, I don't do as much as I usually would do with concealer when I'm wearing foundation because I'm just wearing concealer, and concealer needs somewhere to blend out to on the face. We're still working on that. Some days I go a little overboard with just the concealer on the face. Some days, you know, we get the right balance. You can usually fix that with bronzer, but today I've got hopes that we went with the right amount. So I'm just gonna blend that out like I would concealer if there was foundation on my face. Oh, and of course I don't use, you know, like that bright of a concealer, like the shade I use with the Milk Flex concealer when I wear a foundation, because again, we try to keep, like, there's only so much you can do when it's like 5 shades lighter and you're just wearing concealer. And then take powder and set how I normally would. This is the Chanel Universal something. What is this called? Natural Finish Loose Powder. And the shade is Universal. I get questions like, what? I believe this is just a like translucent, yeah, translucent 2 shade. And then I just bronze up my face. I've been using the ABH cream bronzer in Chestnut. And make sure, you know, especially like those areas where the bronzer connects with the concealer, just kind of brush that in there so yeah, it's not so harsh lines of concealer. Something is... And then of course, just set. I've been using the Makeup Revolution Super Fix Super Hold Misting Spray. And you know, that is it for my face. Throw on some lashes and a lip and I'm good to go. When I'm not filming, this takes all of like, I don't know, 10 minutes, 15 max. Even filming today, I started at 12:13, something like that. It is 12:36. So somewhere around like 20 minutes filming this video. Y'all know when you're filming, you gotta pause, make sure you're still in frame. All that cutting and editing stuff, it still only took like 20-ish minutes to film this video. So I hope for any of you that were looking for, you know, a nice, quick, simple, easy routine, I guess this would be considered my no foundation routine. How to get your base complexion done with like three, four products or less. I don't know what I'm gonna title this video, but if you're looking for something like that, I hope this video helped. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, 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 yeah.